Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to download Gmail application in your Windows. So open a Google browser in your PC. For that I am using Google Chrome over here. Click open a new tab and there on the search bar you need to type in Gmail download for PC and press enter. Once you do that, you will have the search result for the keyword. So basically Gmail do not have a application particularly for the PC. So what you can do is you can open your Gmail account on the top, click open a new tab and there go to Gmail. Tap search. And then you will need to get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, what you can do is click on the three dotted lines over here at the top right corner of your Chrome. Click that and from there you need to click on more tools. Once you do that, you will have the side options pop out. From the side you need to click on create shortcut. Click that. Here you click on create. Now if you go back to your desktop, you will have the Gmail shortcut right at the desktop. If you click upon this, you will be directly opening the Google Chrome web page on your PC. As Gmail do not have a particular application for PC, this is one of the option, let's say a easiest option for how you can easily access your Gmail in the desktop in your Windows PC. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.